I was so skeptic about joining DFH. I tried, I was thinking joining, not joining, and somehow made up my mind. Still knowing that I would have a busy schedule this year, I took up DFH. I missed some days. So, to the main point, I have completed my B.Ed. That was a 4 semester, and I came out with flying colors. I did 83%. That too, it was an university exam. It was excellent.
Amazing. So B.Ed with 83% marks, flying colors, okay, 4 semesters in a busy schedule. She's also a mother, a wife, and a working professional. And she's a working professional, a perfect combination, especially for all women out here. A big shout out, like everything is possible. Doesn't matter what you are doing, especially for women. It's a little bit tougher than men, okay? You have to juggle between a lot of more responsibilities, but yet Janvi showed up. And 83% in her B.Ed exam is amazing. Round of applause first. So, Janvi, just tell us that secret. 83 क्यों मिला? Okay. Tell us a little bit more of that. Go ahead.
I attended my first B.Ed exam like last year in the month of April. Last year, okay? And I never knew that magic of journaling or magic of, manifesting. These things I did not know. But these last 2 semesters, what I got to know since April, I wrote it. I wrote it down that I'll be secure, scoring this much percent. Okay. To write 80% also, I was very afraid. It requires a lot of effort, lot of hard work and all. But still, I wrote 80% during my last April exam, and I got 82. And this time I thought, okay, 83 is fine considering my hard work and considering my studies and all. 83 is fine, I thought. Thank you, Harshad. Thank you once again for giving me such a wonderful platform. Yeah, along with this, also, I am losing my weight. I've lost 6 kgs since the time I joined. So that is another change that everybody is noticing.
Amazing. 6 kgs is typically for the rest of the world, it is 12 kgs. Okay. Reason is on DFH, if you have lost 6 kgs, it is fat loss and your muscle density goes up and your bone density also, the mass in the bone also goes up, which apparently means you have typically lost on a normal weight loss journey double of it. So 6 kgs is equivalent to 12 kgs for a normal person. So amazing, Janvi. Again, another thing. Okay, 6 kgs भी हो गया, B.Ed भी हो गया, 83% भी आ गया, और क्या चाहिए? I mean, like, see the smile. Okay, so thank you, Janvi. That's really amazing. So yes, Aruna, anything you have to share? Go ahead.
Regarding good morning, regarding journal writing, of course I was writing for myself, but even I was writing for my daughter. For her competition, she had to lose the weight, and she was also being instructed by her teacher, because having the weight on her wrist and on the ankles, which was not okay. So a teacher asked her to reduce the 5 kgs weight. And so I was writing, I realistic, okay, I said, okay, I'm doing this, you also visualize, you also do it. And she was working on by herself, and she lost 4 kgs weight in just 2 months. And that was like really so much proud about her. And so yes, we can do too for our near and dear ones also. We keep that goal for our family goals also, we can keep writing, and that comes really true. And one more thing I would like to ask again, once that goal is achieved, how do we pay the gratitude, Harshad?
Amazing. Yeah, very nice question. First of all, whenever the place where you sacredly do it is your journal, right? When you're asking in a journal. जब मिल जाता है then क्या होता है, खुशी इतना होता है कि maybe at times you forget to pay the gratitude in the right way. You have to complete the loop properly by paying the gratitude first there, and then when you have found the treasure, don't keep it for yourself. Okay, this is what it's the beauty of it. Share it with people who struggling. Like people are stuck with your DFH. As again we are trying to restructure, because the very essence of DFH is not only on your physical but also on your mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationship. Everywhere you should be free at a given point of time. It's in this moment you should be having freedom on all the pillars, which is when you will beautifully align with nature and enjoy a journey called as life. And this should happen again and again. So gratitude in the journal, spread the message again and keep on doing it. Okay, once you have understood it, again use it for the higher realms. It's like you're going through a stairway on an apartment. First level was a resistance for you, वो आपने पार करवा लिया. So what happens, that resistance becomes the base now. Use that base to go to the next level. and maybe with other realms in your own self. Try to figure out your whys more. Why are you here? Any which ways. So doing your B.Ed, getting your results, money, relationships, these are small things. It is already here. She's okay. One more taker. Okay, I'll just complete it. Okay, use it for much more deeper things. So thank you so much. Thank you, Aruna, for sharing your insights as well. Please keep doing this. Okay, चटनी डाल के important है दिखाने के लिए कि ये work होता है. So thank you so much. I'll see you.